video one at least, bro. My man's got a whole kangaroo. There we go. Oh, damn. I know. What's up, man? They said my bike was stolen. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who's back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with your boy Q today. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel, man. It is a cold morning here in Texas. Look, my camera done fogged up. Just going from cold to hot, look at that. But anyway, yeah, today will be a Camaro day. We got red over there, as y'all can see. Today is a Camaro day. We were taking the Camaro out to Cars and Coffee this morning. I actually got up early, and I actually already went to the car wash and cleaned it up. So, you know, she's looking pretty good. I'm gonna move over. It's super hard to clean the car when it's cold outside, because when it's cold, it just don't dry on this dang thing on any car. So anyway, I got it cleaned up. I'm about to go to Cars and Coffee. It is ZX10 Mez and my boy Jack Be Quick. They all gonna be down here. Mez is hosting a motorcycle meet. I'm not sure how involved I'm gonna be in it. I know I'm gonna link up with them, but I don't know, you know, if once they ride out, if I'm gonna stay with them or do my own thing, you know, whoop-de-whoop. But anyway, guys, so I'm thinking, let me tell you something. Cleaning this matte black hood, bro, if you use the wrong tile, you can easily scratch this thing. I don't like that. Like, I don't like that at all. We about to head out and go meet up with my boy Deron and Adi. He been talking crazy noise. I don't know, we might get some runs. It's cold this morning, so it might be too cold, honestly. But he swear his Adi can beat mine, his tune and all that. But he think he can beat the Camaro, but we'll see. I don't know. Y'all enjoy the content, and I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm tripping. We know you got to get a start. It's not a cold start, guy, because like I said, I took it to the car wash. But it's good enough. I forgot I left the car in gear when I got out, since I was parked on the incline. And so Drake. So I took my foot off the clutch when I got in and stalled it out, bro. Golly, I forgot I left it in gear, but it's part on the menu, man. Hey, it's just part of it. But here we go. Oh yeah. So we got C6 ZR1, man. Come on, man. Huh? We got some. Ooh, look at the lip. Yeah, bro. Big old intake. Yeah. You got some aftermarket lower pulley belts on there. They show them green belts. Yeah. That's how you know it's aftermarket belts. Yeah. Lower belts. I mean, he got some forged wells on here, bro. This thing is nasty. Bro, he got a whole carbon hood. Whole carbon hood. Yeah, you know that whole part come on. And look at the tire on this joint, bro. Ready to hit the track? Bro, look at the exhaust tips. You would think you have some bigger brakes on. Man. Got Corsa exhaust on here, bro. This thing is loud beyond. Look at the Corsa exhaust on here, bro. Bro, just from the whole hood carbon fiber. What? That's whack, yo. I mean, you crazy. I love the way that bike sounds. Hey, the other dudes don't sound better. No, the R1 they got a unique sound, bro. Don't that sound like? Yeah, bro. That thing sounds dumb, bro. Yeah. You don't like it? He said, you know, I don't like it. I've been trying to get real good with these Broncos, bro. I like these joints, man. She says too rugged though. This one of four best. It's that real one. Oh. He said, oh, you feel like me something? Oh. Boy, it's nasty though. It sounds good. He got Corsa on here too. The wheels go. I like the wheels on these joints. Oh, he's leaving. This joint's so nasty. Hey, bro, I might have to do it, bro. I'm not a big C8 Corvette fan, but what you doing right? It's nasty. This might be, it is. Sound real good, bro. All black on black chain, yeah. How you doing, boss? Hey, what's this stuff y'all selling over here?
So we're not selling the product. We're actually just doing the service.
Oh, you doing the service?
Yeah, you can grab the flyer, so we come out and wash it.
Oh, okay. Nasty, boy. Oh, so you about to wash this one now? Old school blazer, bro. Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Show out the interior. Ah, it's a manual too, bro.
Oh, is it?
Yep. Clean. It's dope.
I really want this one, bro.
What's that?
I really want this one. Let me look at it over that one. So you prefer this over the new one?
Yeah, something about this body style, bro. It's just, it's especially in the ZR1.
I feel like this is more of a daily versus that. Like pulling that out every day feel like it's overkill.
Yeah, you be like, where he going?
Yeah, like you can pull
every day.
Huh?
He doesn't pull that.
No, he was,
no.
He
So
was
we're
talking about the C7 versus C8.
Yeah, we're comparing them like, you know,
He was
you
saying-
can drive this more daily than that. Yeah.
Just look from a look standpoint, really.
He's only got like 20,000 miles on it. It's a
Does it?
2015.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's bad, man. There go another one too. C06.
I don't know, bro.
Let me see. Oh, bro, this boy got a Pro Charger on here. That's them right there, bro.
Yeah.
Yep, that's them. But look, that boy got a Pro Charger on here.
I see it.
Yeah, boy. This is just an SS. You got a ZL1 right here, so this is what I want. This is what I want right here. ZL1. It's SS. He got the like, he got the ZL1 wheels on. This is the same, bro. Almost exact same.
Same steering wheel?
Yep. Same. It's pretty much the same car, just the engine, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, this ZL1 1LE, bro. That's the big wing you be talking about.
Yep.
But I heard they terrible for the street though, bro. They drive rough because it's a track car. That car's for the track only.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Let me get this real quick. What about it?
I think it's an air to water charge.
Hey, look.
I have no idea, bro. Oh, damn.
I know.
I saw y'all looking at the ZL1.
Oh, okay, yeah. I just got in the car. I've been in the trucks and motorcycles, so I'm not learning this stuff. But this, I can tell it's a lot going on underneath there, though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you got this. Is it cat or a 3? No, it's a cat or 392. It's cat. Oh, I see that cat. Yeah, this thing right here, some business, boy.
Hey, he got this in the box.
Yeah, bro, look at this.
Body paint,
And it's a manual.
It's a manual.
Yeah, it's a manual, bro.
Hey, is he running non-spec there?
Where? This joint right here, bro. Oh my God. This what you want, ain't it? Yeah.
This what?
This what you want, ain't it?
And all black, yeah.
A soft top convertible manual. All of them manuals, bro.
Nah, I need automatic.
Nah, you gotta get a manual, bro.
I don't want no manual.
Which one y'all prefer, the C7, Z06, or the C8? Which one? I like that. It just looks.
Yeah.
It looks more. This looks supercar. That looks sports car.
That looks supercar. That looks
sports car. Yeah.
Yeah.
But these, look at these two over here, though, boy. Ooh, that black one. Yeah, bro.
See, this is the one I want right here, bro. Look,
Ooh, the wheels is nasty on here, boy. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. See, now this one, I don't know what it is about this one, bro.
Bro, it's tight. You'll be okay in it. When Jack had it and I drove it, bro, it's tight, dog.
Bro.
I was
Got rid of it?
Yeah, he sold it. I was cramping. He had it for like 5 months. He sold it.
If I had this in my truck, like I would drive this daily. So
you
know
probably
what?
wouldn't drive it daily.
Huh?
You wouldn't.
I mean, outside of driving my truck, yeah.
This thing nasty. I like the way he got it sitting, bro.
Hey, so what?
And this is C6 right here. This the Predator. This is the old. So you
Yeah.
got C7, you got C6, C7, C8.
Yeah.
And then the other one, we saw that gray one he told us about, that was a C5. Now look at this rig set up right here, bro.
Oh, he filming while we rolling?
I don't know. I see myself. Hold on.
He filming while we rolling?
There we go. Ooh, got the CPR 1000. Huh?
Hey, this is Kate need.
Oh yeah, this
Yeah,
is.
Kate need put that on the front of the Camaro, man.
Bruh.
Oh, I have a car? Oh, okay. This
Yeah.
you? Oh, man.
Nice.
So you gonna take us while we rolling down the street?
He got the car. This your car?
It's his car.
Oh, you got the RS6. This the car for it. This thing fast.
You
boy.
gonna ready to keep up?
What is he?
He said,
Hell
yeah.
yeah. He gonna ready to keep up.
I'm
gotta
making
get the
the on camera. Hey, man, you on YouTube?
Kicking it with you. It's different.
I don't like
It ain't bad. I like the blue. It got the Tennessee color type. I like that blue underneath there. It ain't bad. It's different. This one I want.
What?
GC350, boy. Love this car, bro. It only comes in the manual, bro. Got Lambos.
If I buy a car, make sure you know how to do a video.
Yeah. He's stupid. You got a McLaren 675 LT, you got a Lamborghini.
Hey, you know what, bro? I'm not gonna lie. Let's stop and say this. I prefer that Z06, that C7
Okay.
over this, bro. I don't really like. I don't, bro. Over this, bro.
Nah. This is my dream car, bro.
Nah,
That's
nah,
why.
I'm Gucci.
This is my dream car, bro.
I'm Gucci.
No. He said Gucci.
I'm Gucci.
I see what you're saying, but pulling up in this, bro.
It's a status thing.
It is, bro.
Outside of that, bro.
Bro, you pull up in that, bro.
I feel like when you soup that one up.
Oh yeah, it can run with it.
Yeah,
it
you
can.
feel?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You gotta spend a lot of money, but it can. GTRs right here. Oh, these boys.
Hey,
out.
this was my dream car when I was a kid. I was one of the
Go that way in a
You
bit.
did?
Yeah, when I was a kid.
I wanted one of these. Still want one.
I was a kid. I used to love.
Yeah, you had to post on the wall. Yeah.
Big Gran Turismo, man.
I just never been a fan, bro. Like, nah, this one, I like that smart, bro. That's date night car.
Yeah.
Look how wide it is. Look, step back. Look how wide the front end of this car is, bro.
Oh, it is wide.
Let me go to the interior. I love this car, bro.
It's very minimal with the headlights, though.
Yeah. It look like a Bugatti in the inside. Low key. It's a small screen in there too. Oh yeah. Oh, Ferraris. Oh, I love Ferraris, bro. Especially the I don't know what this one is, but the 488 Pista on the LaFerrari. Ooh. This C8 done up nice too.
That's it.
Yeah, it's done up pretty good. Silent Seal allow him out. Oh, he got Joytech on his shit. Ooh. He tuned and performed by Joytech. This thing fast, bro. Don't get it twisted. What's that?
He got a kangaroo. My man got a kangaroo, bro.
Oh, he got a, I don't want to get that video. My man's got a whole kangaroo. Look at this.
8 or 9 months, and yeah, you're gonna hit up 6'2", 200.
That is crazy. Y'all, check this joint out, AMG. Ooh, this is gorgeous, bro. This is gorgeous car. Golly. Oh, I think I've seen this before, actually. I have seen it before. Man, this is gorgeous. Show y'all this. Bro. Peanut butter guts with the red trimming. Man, boy. He really got a whole kangaroo over here, bro. Look at it. He's looking at us. Hold on. That is crazy. Hold on. Hey, looking at
Proud of real quick. All the police on him. That's what all the police looking at their car.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they got made. He got him arrested.
You lying.
I swear.
Oh, he letting him go.
They're taking it out. Not on purpose.
Man, what they doing? What? You know,
He was messing around with the cop and said that he stole it, and they
He's
actually
joking around? Yeah.
He was just fucking around, and they.
Bro, I
they
follow him
took
on
seriously.
IG, bro. This shit ain't sold.
Like, yeah, if I took it, I'm gonna sell it right to your face.
Come on, bro. It's good, man.
They ran his VIN and said it was stolen.
Which VIN?
Why is his bike?
Ain't no way.
They did it twice, confirmed it was stolen, and ran it a third time. They're like, oh, sorry, wrong VIN.
Come on, bro. How they? So what? They just walk over and try to? Oh,
No,
yeah,
they're hitting the bikes for no license plate.
Oh, okay. That's how
They
we
started on the
ride.
CBR. They went with Mez next, and then Mez jokingly said it might be stolen.
What's
So
good?
they ran his VIN
Oh, okay.
and said it was stolen.
Oh, okay.
Come on, man.
That's so dumb.
What up, Q?
What's good, baby?
Hey, what's good, baby?
Good. What's up, man?
They said my bike was stolen.
Man, I heard what the fuck, bro? Come on, man. Nah, man.
Hey, well, that made it interesting for the video.
For the video, yeah, you got that all that. Hey, that's the intro.
I got it.
You got it all?
I got all 5 minutes of it. I've been running for 5 minutes.
Hey, that's the intro right there. I knew that shit was live.
Yeah.
Feisty.
Hey, man.
Get on their bikes right away and get the fuck away from
Bro, they ain't got nothing else to do with these people. Man, come on, man.
Yeah.
No, I took it off today because of the show.
You got in there enjoying your free paycheck, man. Y'all supposed to be working today.
Oh, see, what's up, baby? I ain't see you, man. Yo, this your shit. This Kobe shit.
Oh, man.
Dang, this boy is nasty, man. So y'all know Kobe if you don't, bro. Follow, man. Yes, sir. Hey, the wings look good, bro. Hey, this little dude be doing wheelies like no other, bro. What? What? Kobe, man? Dang. How long I want
I like those colors, man.
Huh?
I like those colors.
Yeah, that shit's hard.
That was yours?
No, that's his right here, Kobe. Hey, how long you had these wings on here? Huh?
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Around like 7 months.
7 months?
6 months. 7 to 8 months, yeah.
Okay.
When it started to look like this. Oh, dirty because I can't water over there.
Huh?
There's hella water.
Oh, you went through water?
Yeah.
It look good though, man. Who got the
Hey, hold on. Who bike is
Boy,
that?
Rafi. I gotta let you shout your channel out, bro. Let's shout your channel out, man. Oh, my bad. He got food in his mouth. I turned the camera on, just like, hey,
I'm like, damn. Mid-bite.
That's 1,000.
Fast Lane D on YouTube and Instagram, man.
Yeah.
Just bike shenanigans, having fun, acting up, and
Yeah,
that's
man.
pretty much it. You don't like to watch that shit? Don't watch the video. All right?
You
it's
feel me?
simple, man.
It's simple.
Comments,
The
I'm
comments, bro. Like,
why you watching
why
the
you
video if
watching
you hate
it?
this shit?
They
Yeah,
hate it, but
man.
they love the comments, bro. They
Exactly,
do it all the
yeah.
time.
Get
Yeah.
it.
Huh? Oh, look at
Too
him.
big on this one?
No, it fits you. You big dude, bro. No, yeah, it fits you.
I was telling her, I'm used to my booster, man.
Yeah, he had a booster, so. Okay.
It's 500 pounds. Not,
Huh?
I said it's 500
Is it
pounds.
500?
No.
It's heavy bike, bro. I'm telling
I'm
you.
480 now.
It's heavy, bro.
That's heavy enough, though.
You feel it at the low speeds, bro.
There you go.
But up top, though, man.
You said what?
Yeah, it fits you, though.
Yeah.
This what we need.
This is what we
You
need.
got supercharger, bro.
Let's go do it.
You can get back on your boots. Nah,
I see you, big dog. I see you. Yeah.
I hear you, big dog. What's good, bro? It sound good, man. I see you got the gap cam on there. Forces off. They all running forces. Just the curve time. Thing sound good, bro.
I heard it.
Yeah, you
Nah, hey.
this thing, dog. Yeah, okay. It's something about I ain't gonna tell you. I'm surprised it's that deep.
Yeah, I know.
He got a tight thing in his house on that joint.
There we go.
You had to open up the valve. You had to open it up.
Hey, when we go to the racetrack, Cadillacs beat everything. Hey, them Cadillacs beat everything.
Oh,
in
you
the
talking about
racetrack.
drag? It's drag.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. I'm surprised they sound as deep.
I gotta stop coming out here. Every time I come out here, I'm gonna buy something new.
Yeah, that's everybody, man. Boy, got this deep, baby. No fast lane deep.